Ciao everyone, I'm Rossella Rago. Welcome back to Cooking with Nonna. I'm back in my favorite place in the world, Nonna Romana's basement kitchen. Say hello everybody.
Hello everybody.
What about everybody over there?
Hello everybody.
What are we gonna cook today?
I gotta cook almond cake.
Almond ricotta cake.
Almond ricotta cake. Very good cake.
Everybody like.
Uh-huh.
Especially when your friends come over for coffee.
Oh yeah. Everybody loves this cake.
Very easy.
Oh yeah, sure.
Sure.
Very easy. Just you know the recipe.
So it's a really delicious, moist cake. Super moist because of the ricotta, obviously. And really flavorful from vanilla, lemon, a little almond. And it comes together really, really easily. So all we have in here is some unsalted butter, sugar, baking soda, almond extract, almond flour, all-purpose flour, lemon, and, of course, ricotta and eggs. And it's a really nice, light cake to make. Good with coffee. Good in the morning.
Oh yeah, anytime when you want.
With a little gelato on the side.
Yeah, very good.
You have gelato in the freezer?
Sure, I have anytime in the freezer gelato. Yeah.
Nonna's got 7 different kinds of gelato right now because they were all on sale.
No, come on.
How many?
Maybe 2 I have. That's
Yeah,
all.
I don't know. Then she's
I don't want to eat
lowballing.
ice cream because the sugar go up. No good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. The Entenmann's not a problem, but ice cream, all sugar. Anyway, we're going to put our butter in here. And Nonna's going to grate some lemon zest. Use room temperature butter. Make your life easier. Got our sugar. We're going to add our powdered vanilla. This is my favorite thing probably in the entire world. But if you don't have it, just use a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Nonna is grating that lemon zest like she's mad at it. Oh, take it easy.
What up? No easy this one.
And I'm going to add our almond extract. So for the full recipe, complete list of ingredients, head to cookingwithnonna.com. It's all over there. And I'm going to start beating this. It already smells so beautiful. That almond extract is just so, so fragrant. You got it?
Almost.
Almost? Hold on.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to add our ricotta. Turn this off and add it with the spoon. Whole milk ricotta, very important. None of the part skim crap for this. It's going to be so creamy and delicious. Nonna is getting every bit of zest off that lemon. Wow, you clean good the lemon.
Yeah, see?
Lei
That's all.
pulito bene.
Oh yeah, sure.
Now she's going to get every bit of zest off the grater. She's the best zester grater in the world. She just, you know, leaves nothing behind. Ok? Mettilo qua dentro il limone. Thank you.
Okay, clean nice.
You clean very nice. Thank you. Attenzione alle mani. Okay, so now I'm going to add our eggs in one at a time. So this is basically how Nonna makes her cheesecake. She doesn't put butter in it, but it's a ricotta, it's a heavy ricotta base. We put a little flour in it just so it has kind of a crumb to it. Last egg in there.
I can't wait for eat this cake. I love it.
Okay, so now we're going to add in our almond flour first. Make sure that's nice and incorporated. She found a little almond flour that I didn't get. Okay, and now we're going to add in the all-purpose flour. And the baking soda. So you want to mix this until it's just absorbed. Don't overmix.
Ma non c'è niente, dai, sta più bene. Le mandorle macinate, da dove le hai comprate?
Dal negozio.
Yeah, ce ne hanno. I never buy it. I make myself anytime. Okay.
Nonna's upset that I didn't grind the almonds and the almond flour myself because that's what she would have done. She's a little disappointed. Okay, so the cake we don't need. We throw away because I buy the mandorle macina.
Oh, who told you?
Maybe it's not going to be good anymore. Okay, this looks like it's going to be so delicious. Give this another quick stir with a spoon or a spatula. Just make sure everything is well mixed. How gorgeous is this? It's like, it's so airy, this batter. I love it. Smell good, no?
What?
The cake smells good already. Profuma.
Yeah, it's good. Why no good?
No, it's good. Where are you going?
They're supposed to good.
Nonna's cleaning up already. Okay. All right.
Okay.
She's gonna clean.
Worry.
She'll be back to eat the cake. Just get this into a pan, a springform pan that I sprayed already with baking spray. So we don't have no problems when it comes out.
It gotta come good. Don't worry.
You think so?
Yeah, sure.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know. I hope so. She's gonna start washing dishes. That's what happens. Nonna, the show's not over yet.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. I can't make this up. I don't know. We don't make things up here. We just. Alrighty. Moving right along. So I'm just gonna smooth the cake in here while Nonna works behind me. Just gonna take out the garbage, you know. Nonna,
Yeah?
you can't wait till I put the cake in the oven to take out the garbage?
Okay.
You got.
E c'è, questo che da tutti che ne chiamano. teacups, yeah. What do you want now? Huh?
Nothing. Look, I'm gonna put the almonds on top.
All right.
Okay. These are just some sliced almonds. You can do crushed almonds. You can do any kind of almonds. Nonna, I bought these at the store too. I didn't slice myself.
Don't worry, it's good.
It's still good. It's okay. Are you
It's
sure?
okay, don't worry. It's good.
You sure? Because you didn't like that I didn't grind the almonds myself with the almond flour. In her defense, back in the day, they didn't really have almond flour. You had to do that yourself. It's kind of a new thing. So try and get all the empty spots. It's good?
Yeah, that's good.
We could put in the oven?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so this is going to go into a 350-degree oven for 45 to 55 minutes until an inserted toothpick is clean.
Wash, yeah? I wash.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And when we come back, Nonna will have washed all the dishes, taken out the garbage, and maybe we'll taste the cake. You know, maybe.
Okay, no worry, they gotta come good.
Okay, Nonna, how do you think?
They look beautiful.
Looks so nice. And all we're gonna do to this is add some confectioner sugar on top. Just a little bit. Sorry, I'm making a mess. So beautiful, like snow. How do you think, Nonna? It's enough?
Yeah, it's enough.
That's enough?
It's enough for sugar, yeah.
Why?
You can't eat too much sugar.
It's a cake, you know? We're
Okay, for me, all right.
Okay, so we're gonna cut into it now. I can't wait. Ooh.
Io poco voglio, non voglio assai.
Okay, poco poco for you.
Yeah. This for you, not for me, okay?
Okay, this one for me.
Okay. Half that one for that.
Half?
Yeah.
Aft.
Half.
Okay. Is okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. It's still a little warm. But I think we can still eat it. Ooh, just came out of the oven.
Mm-hmm.
Looks so good. Oof. Mmm.
It's very good.
That's good.
I love it.
Everything works so nice here. It's creamy from the ricotta, lemony, almondy, crunchy.
Very good. I love it.
You love it?
Yeah?
When Nonna says I love it, I know we did a good job.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you don't like it?
I like.
You want another piece?
No.
No? You sure?
I'm sure.
Yeah, later she's
It's
gonna.
enough piece for me.
All right, guys. We got some cake to finish. Thank you guys for watching. Nonna, thank you for being my Nonna today.
Thank you.
You left in the middle of the video, but I forgive
I love you.
Started washing dishes and taking the garbage out.
You very good girl.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too, my baby.
See you guys next time. Ciao.